Hey everybody, it's Mr. James O'Neal here. That's my handle, but my students call me Mr. O'Neal because they better not call me James. Today I'm introducing part 1 to a series on classroom culture, and it's the taboo subject of extra credit. Extra credit becomes taboo because you have some teachers that give it out to everyone. You get extra credit and you get extra credit and you and you and you. You showed up today, here's some extra credit. And then you have those other teachers that's like, I'm not giving you extra credit for something you should be doing. This is a classroom. Whatever I ask you to do, you should just do it. Well, I try to find myself in the happy middle. I give extra credit because I realize that life rewards people who go above and beyond the call of duty. When people go above and beyond, life usually rewards those people with bonuses, with promotions, with accolades, with fame, with more money, with etc. And so I'm trying to train my kids that when you do extra, I give you extra. So, what does extra credit look like in my classroom? I pass out tickets. The white ticket is worth 1 point and the red ticket is worth 2 points. And it's a smiley face on purpose. Students can put no more than 5 points on any assignment. Here are 5 ways that you can effectively introduce extra credit to increase classroom culture. Number 1. It's about making connections. I'm not trying to reward students for getting a hard problem right. I'm trying to reward their thinking. Number 2, make sure you allow think time. Listen, I got in trouble for this in the beginning. I used to be like, it's extra credit time, and hands went up and away, and then what came out of their mouth was not good. So make sure you allow students time to think about their thinking. That metacognition is golden. Number 3, give everyone a chance to earn it. No one likes the student in the class that the teacher always calls on. If that was me, my students would be like, there go Mr. O'Neal with his favorite. There he go with his favorite, his favorite. Even if you got a favorite, don't let them know. Call on everyone. This is how I effectively do it. I put a timer up, maybe for 2.5 minutes, and I'll pose the question and I'll ask students to write down the answer to their question. Then I'll tell them to leave their seat and leave their pencil at their desk, line up in front of my desk, and I'll reward every student that gets the question right in that amount of time. Now you know you have that student like, I want to be first. Well, you can be first. And you're going to get the same thing that the last student who lined up gets, because I'm not rewarding speed. I'm rewarding thinking. Number 4, differentiate critical thinking. Now you know you have 1 or 2 students able to get that hard question. And if you're going to pose that question, make sure you scaffold in another question so that other students have an entry point. And then scaffold in another question if necessary so that other students have an entry point. Give them a chance to get it right. Which leads to number 5. How is your classroom culture? Wait, hold up. You see this? Oh, wait, you see this? This takes courage. If your classroom culture is toxic, students are not going to do this. So I realize if my students are courageous enough to do this and be wrong, I'm courageous enough to do this. Because I realize that life rewards people that go above and beyond the call of duty. That's why I give extra credit.